Welcome to SQL Basics, Episode 3. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to select specific columns from a table, instead of fetching everything at once. When you run select star from students, the star means select all columns from the table. But sometimes, you don't need everything. Maybe you just want the name and city. Selecting specific columns gives you cleaner, faster results, and keeps you in control of your data. The syntax is simple. After select, list the column names separated by commas. Then write from, followed by the table name, and end with a semicolon. The order of the columns you list is the order they'll appear in your results. Let's run our first query. Select name, city from students, with a semicolon at the end. We're asking for only two columns, name and city. Even though the students table has more columns like age and grade, SQL returns only what we asked for. The result shows all four students with just their name and city. Now let's try a different combination. Select name, grade from students. We swapped out city and replaced it with grade. Notice how easy it is, just change what you list after select. The result now shows each student's name alongside their grade. You can even select just one single column. Select age from students. No commas needed, just the one column name. SQL returns a single column result with the age of every student in the table. This is useful for quick lookups. Let's select three columns this time. Select name, age, city from students. Three columns separated by two commas. The result shows name, then age, then city, in exactly the order we listed them. You can mix and match any columns from the table. Great work! Here's the key rule to remember. After select, list the exact column names you want, separated by commas, then write from, and the table name. SQL will return only those columns for every row. You're now in full control of what your queries return. See you in the next lesson.